Imagine walking into a car dealership, but instead of being greeted by a human salesperson, you're met by a sleek, AI-powered assistant who already knows your preferences. It's no longer a world of aggressive sales pitches, endless paperwork, or time-consuming test drives. Instead, you're stepping into the future of car buying. An experience tailored to your needs and powered entirely by advanced artificial intelligence. Welcome to the world of AI-powered car dealerships, where robots and virtual assistants take the stress and guesswork out of buying a car. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into how AI and robotics are revolutionizing car dealerships and changing the car buying experience forever. From virtual assistants that know your preferences to automated negotiation tools that get you the best possible price, we're going to see how dealerships are transforming into efficient, high-tech experiences, saving you time, money, and even a bit of sanity. Let's set the stage. You've been thinking about upgrading your car for a while, but the idea of spending hours at a dealership negotiating and doing paperwork is daunting. Now imagine, instead of dealing with traditional processes, you interact with an AI virtual assistant from the comfort of your home. This AI assistant can already recommend models that fit your budget and needs, based on what it knows about your previous car searches, lifestyle, and even family size. You don't even have to walk through the dealership's doors to get personalized recommendations. Once you've narrowed down your options, the AI assistant can guide you through a fully virtual test drive. Using augmented reality or virtual reality, you can experience the feel of a car, explore its features, and see how it performs on various terrains, all from your living room. Forget scheduling test drives or trying to coordinate with the salesperson. The AI ensures you get a seamless, immersive experience anytime, anywhere. Now let's talk about price negotiations. This part of the car buying process has traditionally been one of the most stressful. You go in with one price in mind, the salesperson counters, and before you know it, you're haggling back and forth, unsure if you're getting a good deal. With AI-powered car dealerships, this is becoming a thing of the past. The AI negotiation tools analyze current market trends, inventory levels, dealership promotions, and your personal financial information. It automatically offers you the most competitive price without needing to haggle. Everything is transparent, data-driven, and most importantly, stress-free. Imagine this. Instead of wondering whether you could have negotiated a better deal, you can trust that the AI system has given you the most optimized price. You know exactly what you're paying for with no hidden fees or surprises. The entire transaction is clean, transparent, and backed by real-time data. Once the deal is in place, you'd expect a lot of paperwork, right? Not anymore. With AI-powered systems, all the tedious paperwork is digitized. The entire process, from financing to insurance to registration, can be completed in just a few minutes. No need to spend hours signing forms or waiting for approvals. The AI assistant automatically matches you with the best financing options based on your credit score and preferences. It suggests loan terms that suit your budget, finds the lowest insurance rates available, and even registers the car on your behalf. You walk out of the dealership or finish online with everything sorted. It's an entirely paperless, quick, and efficient process. But it doesn't end there. Once you've purchased your car, the AI assistant doesn't just disappear. It remains an ongoing part of your vehicle ownership journey. It can keep track of your vehicle's maintenance schedule, recommend service centers, and notify you of upcoming repairs. Some AI assistants even integrate with smart home devices, allowing you to start your car, check fuel levels, or schedule maintenance with a simple voice command. Now, let's take a moment to think about how AI is reshaping not just the buying process, but also the dealership space itself. Traditionally, a car dealership is a large physical space with countless cars lined up on the lot. But in the future, AI-powered dealerships might not need such expansive lots. By utilizing AI and data analytics, dealerships will have more targeted inventories, stocking only the models they know are in high demand based on regional preferences and customer data. The result? Smaller, more efficient dealerships that can focus on offering personalized services rather than simply showcasing cars. This could lead to a significant reduction in overhead costs, and the savings might even be passed on to consumers. Now, let's talk about the integration of robotics into this equation. At future AI-driven car dealerships, you could be greeted by robots that escort you through the showroom, offering product insights, answering your questions, and even bringing up your car choices for a closer inspection. These robots are powered by natural language processing, NLP, allowing them to have human-like conversations with customers. They can answer questions in real time, show you a car's specifications, or even book a service appointment, all without the need for a human salesperson. If you've ever wanted to skip the pressure of talking to a salesperson, robots might just be your favorite new dealership staff. AI-powered robots could also handle other functions within the dealership. For example, imagine a robot valet that parks your car when you arrive for a test drive, or automated delivery robots that bring your keys, paperwork, or any other materials you need. This is all about creating a seamless, contactless experience that prioritizes convenience. With all this automation, you might be wondering, what happens to the human touch? Well, AI and robots aren't necessarily replacing people, they're enhancing the customer experience. Sales staff can focus more on offering personal consultations and guidance for customers who want it, while AI handles the more tedious tasks like paperwork and data analysis. This way, human staff can provide a higher level of personalized service to those who prefer face-to-face interaction, while others who want a more independent experience can rely on AI. It's about giving people options. And as for the post-sale experience, AI-powered virtual assistants can continue to provide support long after you drive off the lot. Need help figuring out your car's new high-tech features? Your AI assistant can walk you through the steps. Want to schedule a maintenance appointment? The AI assistant can not only book it for you, but also notify the dealership of any issues before you even arrive. Looking ahead, we could also see AI-powered dealerships offering subscription-based car ownership. Instead of buying or leasing, you could subscribe to a service that lets you switch between different vehicles based on your needs, much like a Netflix for cars. If you need a large SUV for a road trip one week and a compact electric car for your daily commute the next, AI will handle the logistics of switching cars, arranging for delivery and pickup at your convenience. And it's car ownership redefined. So why does all of this matter? At its core, the AI-powered dealership experience represents the future of convenience, efficiency, and personalization. For customers, it means no more time wasted at the dealership, no more confusing paperwork, and no more anxiety over price negotiations. For dealerships, it means a more streamlined operation, fewer overhead costs, and the ability to focus on offering superior customer service. Now, it's time for you to imagine what your next car buying experience could look like. Do you see yourself trusting an AI assistant to find your next ride, negotiate the best price, and handle all the paperwork? Would you embrace the help of a robot valet or an AI-powered virtual assistant to walk you through the process? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future videos on how AI and robotics are transforming industries across the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time as we continue to explore the future of technology.